Welcome guys to another AI accredited video. Today, in our Leonardo.AI Mini-Tutorial Series, we'll explore the Edit with AI feature available for the Leonardo Phoenix model. First, log into your Leonardo account and head to the image creation section. Here you'll need to select the Leonardo Phoenix model. Then start with a simple prompt. If your prompt is too short, Leonardo Phoenix will automatically enhance your prompt to add more detail to your resulting image. You can turn this feature off or adjust it to work only on short prompts, then longer prompts won't be affected by this feature. So starting simple, let's try with a red Ferrari parked on the street. The resulting images are really good. We have our red car parked on a street in what looks like Italy. There are some people in the background and the overall look is good. If we take a closer look to the prompt, we can see Leonardo added a lot of detail to the image. It added the specific Ferrari model, the location of the scene, detail for the background, and even the lighting. Great, now let's go for the first test. Next to the prompt in the resulting images, we can now see a magic pencil icon. Click it and type what to change in the image. For starters, let's change the car's color to yellow. Make sure to check the Use Fixed Seed checkbox to have the same overall result, but with the change we're asking for. If you leave the box unchecked, you may get a totally different image. Then click Generate. The generation cost will be the exact same as the first generation. A few seconds later, we have our result. It looks amazing. It's the exact same streets, background, lighting, and all, but now the car is yellow. We can see how the prompt changed to ask for a yellow car, but honoring the rest of the settings, such as the background, lighting, camera angle, and the pedestrians. Now let's try to take it up a notch by adding a new character to the scene. A white cat on top of the car's roof. Same as before, go to the magic pencil and type what you need to add to the prompt. Click Generate, and that's it. We now have a white cat on top of the car. Now let's try something different. Let's create a scene for a soda commercial. First, let's create our base image and try different pipelines using the dynamic, cinematic, and creative pipelines to have different results and see how the edit works using the different pipelines. The results are great. Even the text looks good on 90% of the images. Now let's try to add an element to each of the images created using the different pipelines. Let's add a burger next to the soda glass. The dynamic and creative pipelines work amazingly well. It really looks like a shot for a fast food ad. There you go guys, now you know how the Edit with AI feature works and what type of results can be achieved with it. See you in the next video.